to Punch newspaper Nigeria, he said National Counter-Terrorism Center on Thursday described the new terrorist group Lukarawa as insignificant, going by the estimated membership of the sect put at fewer than 150 fighters. You know, this is from counter-terrorism group or whatever they call that. Anyway, welcome back to my channel and like this video, okay? Subscribe if you're new and tell me what you think about what you just read. One thing you need to understand is that anybody saying they're insignificant, I mean that they're nothing, they can't do anything, this is what you normally hear. That's what they said during the time of Boko Haram. And guess what? The person making this comment or utterances may be someone that is a sympathizer of the group, trying to play it down so that you will not disturb them to go and face them. They're not gonna face it in vain, of course. I'm just saying because it is laughable to call any terror group now as insignificant. 150 fighters can ransack villages, not one village, villages with the well-equipped machine, because those villagers don't have anything. How can somebody, security agent, open his or her mouth and say that it is insignificant? Anyway, what do you expect from people who actually support them? Now let's go through the comment and see how many people that believe or see it the way they paint it to be now. Just put an end to them. We are tired of press statement without action. I think that's what they want to say. Now, another person said, so only 150 and they are in 5 local government. The military want to cover them. They are part of it. T.Y. Danjuma. Another person said, BC said, with most things happening around my life, it is more than enough to begin to doubt if God exists. These problems are just too overwhelming. Haba. I don't understand what they're talking about. How many local government do they control? That is what Nemeka is asking. Igbo man with the brain. And another person said, I don't want to read from Igbo people. Let me focus on people that are named seems to have from other ethnic group. Hard-working Nigerian youth. Okay, your own is quite your name pass the mark to read your comment. Stop talking and act. I beg. Na cho we want. Na cho we want chop. I don't understand. Cho we want chop. What do you want? You want to chop terrorist? You have made your comment. Say stop talking and act. They're not gonna act. Whether if you like to comment from now to Danke Nogam, they can't act against their brother. So they will allow the 150 to run free till they recruit 5,000. Ah my goodness. The number said they are insignificant yet they are all over the news. And amen. Nigerians, some of them that are Nigerians, they actually believe that this thing is going to stop. They're playing it down or making joke out of it until your head leave your shoulder. Then you understand. Stephen Emmanuel Ayatollah says, so they want to wait until the rank swelling to 115k before they start fighting them and using the situation to enrich themselves. Okay, matter the security issue. You understand? This should be an eye-opener to many of you. And I don't want to. I'm trying to pick the random comment that can mean something meaningful. Yeah, Yusuf Johnson. Your name is confusing. How? He said, instead of crushing them now, you are underestimating them. And who again? I'm looking for another name. Okay, Sule said, talk is cheap. Get them now and earlier before they enter your bedroom. They should go after their boys. Mo, you are dreaming. Mohammed, before they become significant. Okay. But is it true that some of these Muslims are actually against this kind of armed group? Are they against it truly? Because sometimes I feel like they are just saying it because they don't want the public to start seeing them as, because they are fighting for your religion. Commonize them, you hear? Continue to commonize them. This is from Adebayo. And a group with automatic rifle is insignificant. That is Igbo man with security conscious. And how did Boko Haram start? A very good question. This guy, how did they start? Because the same, I told you the same thing they said during the time of Boko Haram, insignificant. They are nothing. Underestimate them and be said the same time, equipping them by giving them what they want to advance. These are people who said who introduced full blockade during the Nigerian civil war. They are now telling you what to do. Nigerian NIA activities is full of loopholes. This kind of lopsy mouth or losing mouth always give financing to terrorist group. Our security agent always indirectly telling the terrorists what to do that could shake the country. Security plans finish the battle first. That is Adewale. Ododuwaga. You made a very good sense here. Anyway, I just want to share with you. What do you think about this anti-terrorist group from terrorist groups in Nigeria? This what they call it. What that's name? The name they call themselves Anti-Terrorist Center. Yes, National Counter-Terrorism Center made this statement with aim of ignoring them, that they don't matter. They don't matter, right? Anyway, tell me what you think about it, and please like the video. God bless you. Bye bye for now.